Tinye na. Ama akwa mo akwa gị na-esi. Get for bed anything. Tinye kwa obele nu. Obele. Yeah, what the onions?
Add only salt and onions to the meat. Allow it to marinate for some minutes and start cooking. Okay.
So what next? What egusi? What you hear clearly o? Eh? What the heck? Tinye. Tinye kwa obele. Tinye kwa obele. Small. Adigo. Kele. Ikpusinye ike ka o wee gbasakwa. Gosi m nke bụ. Ya help sie mmiri anya anọghị iche. Ịghọta? Ịghọta ihe na-ekwu? Mmiri anya anọghị iche, egusi anya anọghị iche. Oh yeah.
So those ones that were not molded will actually help to bring the soup together so that the water will not stay separate while the egusi stays separate. It will kind of help to bring the soup together. Alright, that's what I was explaining to her. Here she's bringing out the steamed fish. Yeah, we're using fresh fish, so she's bringing it out so we can grill it. So it can stay together in the pot. It's not meant to scatter. But guess what, guys? At the end of the day, you will see how it turned out. I've actually not used this special fish to cook before. This is the first time, and I didn't like the outcome. Yeah, I didn't like the way the fish just turned out. Oh, just keep watching. You will see how it came out. All right, put the chef. She's cooking for us today. Interesting. Okay, now it's time to add the egusi inside the pot. She covers it and yeah, she's adding a meat. I have small meat, and I have in the fridge that she kind of steamed again, so she just added the meat and the stock. Guys, we didn't end up adding the fish stock because already she added so much water, and if she added the fish stock, it's going to be too much in the soup. So these are the local spices, which I'm going to put their names in the comment section. All right, all blended, and she's adding them to the pot. Oh yeah, what a spoon. Wiki were nke a wee mejọtie. Spoon on a. Let me ask, at what stage do you feel it's necessary to start teaching your children how to cook? Can you tell me in the comment section? At what age? At what stage? Tell me. Also tell me where you're watching from. Give this video a like, share, drop a lovely comment, and still stay with us. Let's see how this soup finally came out. Yeah, let's see how it finally turned out. Now she's adding some onions, and look at that fish. See what that fish did to us. I don't even know. It kind of everything pieces. The fish scattered like, but we'll eventually use it like that. Yeah, so now she's adding crayfish. The soup is almost done actually. So the fish is already well grilled, well cooked. I asked her, since it's already scattered, there's no need adding it earlier, so she added it when the soup was almost done, after she had already added crayfish, and then she had to take out the fish. See, the fish is already pieces. Okay, so she took out everything, and it's time to add it before now going ahead to add the vegetables. Keep watching. Let's see how the soup finally turned out to be. She actually tried. I think she tried. She knows how to cook a lot of things. other things, but I haven't actually asked her to cook soup before. She hasn't cooked soup for me before, but she cooks spaghetti. I've taught her how to cook spaghetti, jollof rice, and she does that wonderfully well. She makes fries and other small fast food. She does all those ones very, very well. Today, I just decided I'm going to teach her how to cook. Today, I guided her. Probably the next time, I'll just let her cook it by herself and bring it. Let me see how it's going to turn out without my guidance. Okay, I'm still teaching her how to use a slice board to slice vegetables. Yeah, it's still very hard for her to do sometimes, but she's learning. Yeah, she's learning. So here she's adding uziza leaf. That's what we used to cook egusi soup.
Madam Chef. Madam Chef. Oh yeah. Udozie ya. Uchizie ya. Ọ dịkwa na mmiri adịrọ ọfa. Anyị atikwu mmiri. Tikwu obere.
So I noticed the soup was kind of too thick, and so we had to add the fish stock. Remember I told you we didn't use the fish stock because the water was too much. So she had to take a little from the fish stock and add it, then stirred it so that it would be light. It was too thick before. And she tested it and said the salt was not enough. That's why she's going ahead to add more salt to taste. Yeah, guys, if you have watched the video to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Keep watching. See our soup. It actually looks nice, and yeah, it actually looks nice and it tasted very well. So it's time for her to make the eba. Today I'm not doing anything.
Kuikwala ma. Ofa we zugo biko. Ozugo. Anu adekwa n'ihi ikwu ilim. Saa azụ ka ikwu. Hapụzie ya nso a bizie m, biezie m. Wole ihe eji akọ garị na o. Mba, tinyere garị ga biko kọ ilim garị a ka ọ dị ihu ka mmadụ. Go. Amakwa na mmiri chakwa garị na amụ elemebe. Madam Chef. Ewe. Ni ga atọkwa ụtọ. Result n'isi na. Nke nwa ya kpọ result. Aya lie ka kpọ result.
The soup actually came out nice. Yeah, I ate it. I enjoyed myself. It was really tasty. She said that nobody will know she was the one that cooked the soup from how it tasted. Because I asked her to taste it herself and tell me how it came out. Yeah, it was really nice. She'll keep trying. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. Like this video, drop a comment and share.